Imagine a dish so delectable, so mouth-watering that it's all you can think about. The aroma fills your kitchen, the flavors dance on your tongue, the textures create a symphony of satisfaction. This could be any dish in the world from any cuisine or culture. But what is it? That, my friends, is the question of the day. Perhaps it's a creamy risotto. Each grain of rice perfectly cooked and coated in a rich, savory sauce. Or maybe it's a spicy curry, brimming with tender morsels of meat and vibrant vegetables, the heat balanced by a cool dollop of yogurt. Is it a hearty stew, the kind that warms you from the inside out on a chilly day? Or could it be a sweet and tangy barbecue, the smoky flavors making you feel like it's summer, no matter what the calendar says? The world of food is vast and varied, filled with an infinite number of dishes just waiting to be explored. And that's where you come in. Yes, you, the one who knows exactly what they want to see next. The one who has a favorite dish, a cherished recipe, a culinary challenge they'd love to see tackled. So, think about it. Mull it over. Let your taste buds guide you. What dish would you like to see next? What recipe would you like to see brought to life, step by step, ingredient by ingredient? Remember, there are no wrong answers here. Every dish has its own magic, its own story to tell. Whether it's a comforting classic or a daring innovation, a simple snack or a decadent dessert, a quick weekday meal or a lavish feast fit for a special occasion, it's all fair game. Now it's time to make your voice heard. Share your ideas, your cravings, your culinary dreams. Leave your dish suggestions in the comments below. Let's cook up some magic together. And remember, the kitchen is where the heart is, so let's make it a place of joy, creativity, and delicious dishes. Stay hungry, my friends. And remember, the next dish could be the one you've been waiting for. So, don't be shy. Let's turn those foodie dreams into reality. Your input matters, your palate matters, you matter. Until next time, keep those taste buds tingling and those culinary fires burning. Now go ahead and drop those dish suggestions in the comments. And remember, the kitchen is your playground. Happy cooking.